Okay.
Zen was great. I had a few questions searching it first. They were one of the first people that I spoke with, minus another company. They were really great. They answered all my questions. They sent out an employee to measure, which was quick. Now they are working. They said they would be here at a certain time. They showed up with, on punctual time, no problems, and now they're working and they take care of you, no problems. I have to say, I recommend this if you can. Make sure you check out Zen. Thank you.
Thank you.